This video is about using Gobos. Now, when you're using a Gobo, you have different options for fixtures. The fixtures we're going to talk about are standard theater fixtures called lekos. Lekos are a street term for source 4 ellipsoidal spotlights. We're going to use that with different lens tubes. Now, the lens tubes are the part of the fixture that goes on the end. They're interchangeable and you can use between a 5° and a 50°. The regular standard lens tubes are between 19° and 50°. When dealing with Gobos, it's all about the degree. See that? That's 26°. We're going to change it and put a 50° lens on it. So stay tuned. 26° right there, and then 50 next. In this video, the distance between the leko fixture and the Gobo projected onto the wall is 10 foot. With the 26°, we were getting about a 4-foot image, and with the 50°, we were getting about a 10-foot image. All right, we just switched out the 26. Got it here. It's the 26°. Can you see it that way? 26°. And we put the 50 in. See behind me, it's a lot bigger. Same distance. It's all on based on the lens tube. Same distance, but just comes out bigger. All right, that's it, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen. The 26° and the 50° lens tube. The 50° will give you the biggest image at the shortest distance. Going back to the 5°, that will give you the smallest image at the longest distance. So wherever the Gobo is projected onto, the distance between that and the fixture determines how big the leko or the Gobo image will be. Hit like if you like and subscribe. Please subscribe. All right.